Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Pearson, and I am here to talk to you about how to access your asynchronous science work. The day that you have Miss Pearson, later on that afternoon, it will be time for you to go into Canvas and go into your science lab. So you will open up your Canvas by clicking on your Canvas button, just like you do to get to your homeroom. And then you are going to find your grade level. You are only signed up for one of these. Now you see Miss Pearson has every grade levels. But if you are in first grade, this is the picture that will show up. And when you click on it, this is your home screen. In order to find this week's lesson, you simply click the big red circle. And it's going to tell you that after this week's lesson on building a composter, do you think you can sort the materials for our bin? You can print the worksheet and upload a complete picture. So you can print this and then upload it, or you can draw the garbage versus the recycling, and you can put each picture in there. You have a submit button that sits here. You will click on that submit button and load a picture of either your notebook or this completed worksheet. That is what you would do if you were in first grade. Your activities are different for each grade level, depending on what you are learning, but the location doesn't change. So if you are in fourth, fifth grade, yours is a little bit different because when you look at your home screen, you all also have grades, discussions, and collaborations. You at any point in time can click and see what grades you're missing. And these are all the assignments that I have done all year. You are only working in quarter 3 right now, which would be semester 2's missing lessons. So these are all the lessons that I have taken, that I have given for quarter 2. But your current lesson for the week you are in is always the red circle button. And that doesn't change for any grade level. You'll click on your button. You will read what you're needed to do. These guys are doing a study jams on biomes, and then they need to take the test and copy down their test skills and upload it, or their test grade and upload it. And you'll submit it. And you can either submit it in a text entry or you can take a screenshot of your work. I post a new assignment for every grade level every single week. There is no, I didn't know. I post a new assignment every single week. I hope you find this helpful, and I hope that you go in and complete some of your work. It can only help you. Have a great day and keep working hard.